Hello my dear students, we are doing chapter 11 landforms and we have completed the introduction to landforms and the first type of landform, mountain. Now in today's class we will be continuing with the second type of landform, which is plateau. Now before starting about the concept of plateau, I would like you guys to understand that the pronunciation, it is not plateau, it is plateau. And please keep that in mind. The correct pronunciation is plateau. Now from this picture we can make out that plateau is also a landform which is above sea level. But what is the height? It is minimum 180 meters above sea level and it is a flat surface. Besides that, there are different types of plateau. Based on their formation, there are Intermontane Plateau, Pedimont Plateau and Continental Plateau. These are the different types of plateau. Let's study in detail about each one. Land part having approximate height of more than 180 meters above the sea level, wide and flat surface from the top is called plateau. Plateaus can be divided into three parts on the basis of geographical location and structure. They are Intermontane Plateau, Pedumont Plateau and Continental Plateau. Intermontane Plateau. Now from the word intermontane, you can easily remember it. It is situated inter mountains. So any part of land which is fully or partially surrounded by the high mountain ranges from all four sides is known as intermontane plateau. From the figure we can see that between there is a flat surface, but on both the sides there are mountain ranges. So the plateau which is surrounded partially or fully with high mountain ranges is known as intermontane plateau. Plateau of Tibet and Plateau of Mongolia are its examples. Here we can see that these two plateaus are surrounded with mountain ranges from all four sides. These are the best examples of intermontane plateaus. Next is Pedimond Plateau. Region having straight slope on the one side in the foot of a mountain is called Pedimont Plateau. Here in the image you can see that there is a mountain and then there is a straight slope, and the region next to it is Pedimont Plateau. Let's see the examples of Pedimont Plateau. In your textbook, it's given Patagonia in South America. Now there is a correction here. It's Patagonia, not Patagonia. So the correct spelling is Patagonia. Patagonia in South America, Piedmont in US, Malwa Plateau in India are the best examples of Pedimont Plateau. The last one is Continental Plateau. An elevated land part due to geological movement or cooling down of magma on a big highland creates continental plateau. Elevated means something that has been moved to a higher position. So due to movement of the earth's crust or due to cooling down of magma, there is a high land created which is known as continental plateau. Lavaic Highland or Plateau of Maharashtra in India, Plateau of Brazil, Plateau of Uzbekistan, Spain, Greenland and Antarctica are the examples of continental plateau. Here I have given you the images of Plateau of Brazil and Plateau of Greenland. You can see that these plateaus are elevated, have come up higher than the other regions. Now, the importance of plateaus. The lavaic soil of plateau is fertile and it is very favorable for cotton crop. Now, we just studied that plateaus are made from the cooling down of lava as well. So these plateaus, which are made from the earth cooling down of earth's crust, something that comes from earth's crust, so they are rich in those minerals, and they are very fertile, hence they are favorable for cotton crop. Precious minerals like iron, manganese and gold are found from the ancient solid rocks of the plateaus. Minerals like iron, manganese and gold, they are found from these ancient solid rocks of plateaus. Then we have the example of Chota Nagpur Plateau of India. The image which I have given here is of Chota Nagpur Plateau. The slopes of this plateau are very important for cattle rearing and also useful for tourism and film industry. Chota Nagpur Plateau, it majorly covers the Jharkhand region and the neighboring like Odisha and West Bengal. But this region is very important for cattle rearing, as well as due to its scenic beauty, it is useful for tourism and film industry. In your textbook, it's given that plateau has formed almost in the center of Saurashtra in Gujarat. It's like almost because it's not that big a plateau. So if we take the center of Saurashtra here in this picture, we can see that it is Jasdan Plateau. So that's all for today. You can go through the video once again and let me know if you guys have any doubts. So after that, you can just relax and enjoy your day. That's it. Bye.